Are you a student, tired of the same old ways to make extra cash? What if I told you that in 2024, there are side hustles out there so unique, so powerful, they could completely change the way you think about earning money? In this video, we are about to uncover 6 game-changing side hustles that not only boost your income, but could set you on a path to something far greater. But here's the catch: you have to stay with me to discover them all. If you have any skill, you can create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, or design templates can provide you with recurring income after the initial effort. Websites like Gumroad or Etsy allow you to easily sell your products online. The advantage of this side hustle is that once you create a product, you can sell it multiple times, generating passive income. Additionally, if you have skills in designing or video editing, you can create and sell stock videos, photos, or graphics. These platforms also allow you to reach a global audience. For students with a knack for writing, this is a unique opportunity. Many people struggle with writing their resumes and cover letters. If you have strong writing skills and knowledge of job market trends, you can work as a resume writer. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. Furthermore, you can build an online portfolio showcasing examples of resumes you've written, helping potential clients assess your skills. With the growing popularity of YouTube and other video platforms, video editing has become a hot side hustle. If you have a passion for video editing, you can work with YouTubers, social media influencers, and businesses to edit their videos. After mastering software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, you can offer your services on freelance platforms. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and expand your client base according to your expertise. If you have a strong voice, voice-over artistry can be an exciting and unique side hustle. Many businesses, YouTubers, and podcasters need voice-over services. You can offer your voice-over services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. You'll need a quality microphone and audio editing software for this work. One major advantage of this side hustle is that you can work from home without needing to travel to a specific location. Managing social media ad campaigns for online businesses and brands is a new and unique side hustle. If you're skilled in social media advertising, you can manage ad campaigns for various brands and businesses. Understanding Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google ads is essential for this job. You can start with small campaigns on these platforms and gradually work with larger budgets, increasing your service fees over time. With the rising trend in cryptocurrency, educating and learning about it can be a great side hustle. If you're knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies, you can teach others about it or turn your research and analysis into information products for sale. For example, you could write a guide on cryptocurrencies or create an online course. You can transform your knowledge into a side hustle by focusing on blockchain, NFTs, or trading strategies. And there you have it, 6 side hustles that could redefine your 2024. Whether you choose to dive into digital products, master social media management, or explore the world of crypto, the opportunities are endless. But remember, the key to success is not just in knowing what to do, it's in taking action. So which side hustle will you start today? If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share it with your fellow students, and make sure to subscribe for more insights on how to take control of your financial future. Your journey is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.